Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the first iPad. I think it's more than 10 years old. Doesn't work. It's in my collections of gadgets which I had used. This is an iPhone. It's the 6.5 version. It doesn't work. This is a camera. This is the film one. I don't think the current generation would have seen or used these kind of cameras. And this is the iPhone 7.5. This is working. Then I have my latest iPhone 12 Pro, just few days old. See, what happens basically these days is we need to keep upgrading our devices. I use it for like maximum 2 to 3 years. Some people may be using it for like 5 years or 6 years, or as long as the company is supporting the operating system or the device is working. To buy an iPad, it costs roughly 1 lakh rupees. iPhone, it's more than 1 lakh rupees. We invest so much of money and we use it for hardly 2 to 3 years. Is it like really worth? Let's go back like 20-25 years back. If you buy a device, you buy it for your lifetime. If you buy a car, it would be like for your lifetime. Maybe your kid would use, or even your grandchild would use it. My father had a BSA bicycle which he had purchased after he got his job. He used to go to his office on his bicycle. After that, he got a Vijay Super scooter, and I took over that bicycle. I used that bicycle to go to my school, my college, and even after that also I was using it. Similarly, like cars and many families, it goes on like that. Nowadays, you buy something, you use it for few months or years, it gets outdated. Things get outdated very fast. Now we all go through this endless process of upgrading. Why does this happen? Why have this changed? It's basically technology is a never-ending drive towards progress. Apple started making iPhones many years back, and every year they come up with a new iPhone which they say is the most powerful iPhone they have made. So every year they make the best iPhone. They come up with something new. They come up with some hardware features, and the software also keeps getting upgraded. And what happens is, after a few years, your existing phone won't work because it needs a better hardware. When I was using my Ambassador car, everything was repairable. Nowadays, if anything gets damaged, it's removed and replaced. We have moved from repairing to replacing. Most of the products earlier were like mechanical. Now it's more of like electrical, or it's like a software driven device. New technology with new features are coming very fast compared to previous years. It's in a way very good. We are able to do things in a better way. We are able to do things in a much faster way. I got this iPhone 12 Pro for 3 reasons. The first reason for me was it's a 5G phone. 5G technology is going to come very soon, and I wanted to be one of the first person to test the 5G speed or the advantages of using 5G. Because if you don't have a 5G phone, you cannot use 5G. That was the main reason why I upgraded to this iPhone 12 Pro. The second reason was my earlier phone was like, it's more than 2 years old. The battery was like coming down, so I had to charge twice a day. And the third reason was, this is the most powerful iPhone available today and I wanted to get it. Why do I have to upgrade every 2 years? The reason is 95% of my work happens with my phone, with the gadgets which I use. My laptop is very important for me, my phone is really important for me, connectivity is very important for me, because I do my work using these devices. So I always have to have a device which works perfectly, which doesn't fail, because if it fails, my work will stop. I send all my emails using this phone, I talk to people using this phone, I have my meetings on this phone. So it is very important for me that this works whenever it has to work. It cannot fail. So I need to have the best phone or best gadget that can take care of my day-to-day needs and my work. And my work pays me to upgrade these devices. Now you don't find any product which is made for a lifetime. It is made for few years. Softwares are now on subscription model. You don't need to spend a huge lump sum money to buy a software. Mostly you can get it on a monthly payment. You get all the updates free, which is included in the subscription. Similarly, for a manufacturer, a company like Apple or a company like Google or a company like Samsung, they manufacture mobile devices. They will give you the latest device every year. They will give you an upgrade. You have a choice to upgrade or not. Maybe you don't need to upgrade every year. At least 2-3 years you may have to upgrade. So what are the advantages of regular upgrades? See, you get the best technology. You are getting new features every day. You would get a product which will make your work faster, easier and reliable. The industry runs like that because it creates job. Many people work. If new phones are made, new jobs are created, the manufacturing sector develops, the sales sector develops and so on. That's how economy grows. Yes, there are disadvantages. You need to spend a lot of money. Suppose I was not working or I was not doing something which I have to use my phone every day. I will not upgrade my phones every 2 years or 3 years. I will use it as long as I can use it, or I may go for something like a small phone which I may not have to upgrade even after 5 years also. So what happens with my old gadgets? I usually try to sell it as soon as possible because the longer it stays with me, I may not be able to sell it. These are few gadgets which I didn't sell it for some reasons, like I wanted to keep the first iPad I purchased. This is the first iPad I purchased. I wanted to keep a camera with the film roll, and I wanted to keep some iPhones, and some gadgets I don't sell because there may be some problems with those gadgets and I don't want to sell something which is damaged or not usable. So guys, that's all about the endless process of upgrades that would keep happening. That's how the progress would happen. That's how things will grow and things will get better. We will have to keep spending. This is a cycle. What are your thoughts on this upgrading process? Please let me know. Would love to hear from you guys. This would be something you might have thought a lot, because when I look into the amount of money that I've spent on this gadgets and these upgrades, it's like huge. But again, I have to think that because of these gadgets I am able to do my work properly and I have a job which is paying me to buy all these gadgets. That's the most simple thing which we need to understand. And if we need something which we are going to use, then it's definitely worth to invest and use it. I believe that we need to keep ourselves updated with the latest things if we are using it. If you're not using it, there's no need to upgrade. It's like whatever you need, you can use it for. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video interesting. Bye. Take care.